Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a fast, reputable VPN and installing the app on the same device you use for Roblox. Once installed, sign in and enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Now choose a server. Pick a nearby region for lower ping or a specific country to access region-locked content. Connect using UDP for better speed. If you see instability, switch to TCP. Make sure your device firewall allows the VPN app to run. Once connected, you need to align your device and Roblox with the VPN. Clear the DNS cache. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On mobile, use network reset so old routes don't leak. If your VPN provides DNS, switch to it inside the app. Otherwise, use a private DNS service to prevent leaks. Restart the Roblox client and join a test game while watching ping and region display. If latency spikes, try a different nearby server or change protocol in the VPN settings. You finish by verifying the connection and knowing how to recover from common problems. Check for IP and DNS leaks while the VPN is active, so Roblox only sees the VPN endpoint. If Roblox blocks you or latency is poor, switch protocols, try another server, or enable split tunneling to exclude non-game apps. If problems persist, reinstall the VPN client or examine router firewall/port forwarding. One key tip: disable proxy settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.